Hello and welcome to this PowerPoint presentation dedicated to my favorite animal, the elephants. Elephants' Anatomical Adaptations. Adaptation stands for biological features that help an animal survive in the wild. The skin. An elephant's tough skin can protect it from water loss, sun damage, and physical attack. Notice that on the left side, there's a navigational sidebar. This allows the presenter and the audience to easily track where they are in the presentation. In fact, they can even skip around like this. An elephant's trunk can be used to grab objects, siphon water, or fight. An elephant's tusks can be used to dig holes, attract mates, or fight. An elephant's ears are very large, and its large size helps release excess heat. Now let's talk about elephants' lifestyle. Childcare. Baby elephants are cared for by a group of females who are relatives and friends with each other. Diet. Elephants are vegetarians, so they eat grasses, leaves, and fruits. Water. An adult elephant drinks about 50 gallons of water a day. Therefore, they like to stay near water. In addition, water also helps cool them down on a hot day. Society. Female elephants, as you already saw before, they live together in an all-female group and raise babies together. The males, on the other hand, they live together in an all-male group, away from the babies. Reminder, elephants are amazing animals. Love and protect them. Thank you for watching this presentation.